Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Morph transition inside Microsoft PowerPoint. This actually is quite simple once you know how. So here we have a standard slide with my kind of profile picture right here in the middle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Morph transition to shrink this profile picture to the top left-hand corner. To do that, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come on over to our profile picture. We're going to give that a right click, copy. We're going to go and come down here, just click into the empty space, and we're going to right click and we're going to paste in a new slide. Okay, so that's how we'd copy and paste a slide like that. We could, of course, just click into this slide right here and use Control D to duplicate that slide. Okay, once you've got the duplicated slide with the slide number 2 selected here, we're going to pick up our profile picture and shrink this down. We're going to make this quite small and it's going to go up into this top right hand corner. We can, of course, have lots of different pieces of text on here. We can have text boxes, we could have graphs, all sorts of kind of stuff. But this tutorial is all about the morph transition. What we're going to do is we're going to morph the larger icon here, or the kind of profile picture, into a smaller one on this side here. To do that, with the slide number 2 selected, we're going to come over to the ribbon. We're going to go all the way over to where it says transitions. From here, we're going to click on the morph transition. And there you can see that little animation basically dragging that profile picture from the center of the page over to the top left-hand side. So as you kind of go through your slides, you get that nice smooth transition, that nice animation effect that you're looking for. Guys, it is as easy as that to use the morph transition within Microsoft PowerPoint. If you liked this video, found it useful and informative, smash that like button. If you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to check that video out right there. It's one you don't want to miss.